Get it?
Yeah.
Flip it over. We'll try it again.
Yeah.
Right at the top. Let's try it again.
It's on the same video. It's all on the same video.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah. I am. Oh!
It's still going. You still got it?
Yeah, I still have it.
Here we go again. Oh, man. Let's put the You got it?
Yeah, I still have it.
Is that a part that flew off? Yeah.
No. Oh yeah, what? Oh.
What is it?
Your cooling fan.
Holy shit.
Should I turn it off now?
No, we're going to hit it again. Ready? Still got it?
Yeah. I have 20% battery still left.
Come on, Peter.
Oh, you wheel. There.
No, it's a little more than that. Did it break or did the thing just pop off again?
Well, you're missing a drive shaft.
Yeah, that's right here. You still filming?
Yeah, so
Drive shaft.
It's repairable.
Yeah, we'll just pop it back in and try it again. Let's go.
should I turn it off?
Yeah, turn it off. Save some battery.
Wait a second.